everybody. It's Mountain RV and Outdoor Center. My name is Emma, and we are here with Brenda, the camping queen. We just want to talk to you a little bit about our 5-year celebration that's coming up on June 16th and 17th. So on Friday, on the 16th at 1 p.m., we are offering a women's RV workshop, and our camping queen, Brenda, is conducting it. So we're going to ask her a few questions about what all she's offering at this, what else she's going to talk about, what we're going to be doing after, and everything. So, Brenda,
yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is going on at the Women's RV Workshop that you are going to be talking to about everybody?
Well, I hope it's going to be a really fun event. You know, we were sitting in that marketing meeting, and I said, let's have a women's workshop. And I was not aware that I was going to be doing that women's workshop, but here I am, and it's okay. We're going to talk about just some basic things that really not just women, but everybody needs to know about the camper. I got some checklists we're going to go over on what to do when you hook up and how to tow, some checklists about how to get to the campground and what you do once you're there, checklist on how to leave your campground, when you get back home, some basic maintenance on your RV, things like that. Very simple, very short, but fun.
Sweet, yeah. And then a little secret, but I think you guys are going to get the opportunity to shop with Brenda through our aisles after the women's workshop.
Well, that's going to be the most fun. I love to shop, and my goodness, that is all I've done since I've started here. It's like just shop these aisles.
We do have the best stuff here for sure.
Yeah.
So we're excited. Join us Friday at 1 p.m. for the Women's RV Workshop. And just look for some new updates and stuff for our 5-year celebration. It's going on Friday and Saturday. We will see you then.
Yeah.
Bye.